Welcome to using formulas and functions in Google Sheets. In this sheet I have numerical data. We are going to use pre-built functions to have Google Sheets make specific calculations for us. This can be very useful if you are dealing with a large amount of data or lengthy calculations or processes. First, let's do a simple calculation. Let's add all the numbers together and put the total in cell C1. Anytime we want Sheets to calculate for us, we start with an equal sign. This tells Sheets to display the calculated value and not the text we are typing. Instead of typing the values in like a calculator, we can type the cell reference that we want Sheets to use or simply click on the cell. This will take a moment, but it is a list of all the items we want Sheets to use in the calculation. After the formula is complete, hit enter and it will show the calculation. It is worth noting that by telling it what cells to use, it will automatically recalculate if we change a cell value. Notice the change. If you have data, there are a lot of common calculations that you might want to do on a daily basis. Sheets has a pre-built function for finding a total of all these values that will save us a lot of time. It is called sum. I will put this function in C2 by clicking there. Go to Insert on the toolbar and select Function. A few of the common ones pop up. Select Sum. The function shows up in C2, but it still needs to know what we want it to add together. We can tell it by selecting cells A1 to A11 and hit Enter. It gives us the same total we just calculated in C1. Let's explore a little. Let's click on C3 and say we want to have the standard deviation calculated for us in this cell. Go to Insert on the toolbar and select Function. Standard deviation does not show up, so let's click More. This opens a new window where we can search through all the pre-built functions. Type standard deviation in the search bar and hit Enter. There are several functions related to standard deviation, so you might have to read the descriptions to find the one you want. Read carefully. Toward the bottom you will find two related to statistics class. Here is STDEV that says it calculates the standard deviation of a sample. We need to go back to our sheet and use STDEV. Go to C3, type equals STDEV parentheses. The parentheses tell Sheets that you are going to select the cells you want it to use to calculate the standard deviation. Select cells A1 through A11 and hit Enter. Without any fuss you have the standard deviation in C3. That's convenient and a great time saver.